What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dad Life. Time for another Dad Hack. What's up, dude? There's Get it. So earlier, you remember one of my earlier videos, we replaced, we fixed, I should say, the pull-out trash can as it was sagging and broke. So it's about 6 years since we've had this kitchen, and now some of the hinges are going. So you can see this door, it's very loose. We've tightened it up. You can see that the hinge is separated because the hole is stripped. So what do we need for this dad hack? Simple. We need a cordless drill, anchors. These are my go-to anchors in my house because it's all plaster, but pick any anchor that you feel comfortable with working with plaster or drywall. The screws come with it. Obviously, you have to make sure the head of the screw will fit in, for instance, this location since we're using a hinge. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the factory screw and hardware that came with this hinge. We're going to fold the hinge out. We are going to drill out the hole, slam an anchor in there, then use this screw, and it's going to tighten it up. Let's get to work. All right, first we're going to remove the screw that comes with the hinge. You can see it's already ready to fall off. I didn't even fully loosen it. Okay, so we're going to remove this. We're going to move this out of the way. Now, it is still supported here, so be careful. But in this case, we're going to use a 3/16 drill bit as recommended for the anchor. Fun tip. You want to grab your anchor that you're going to use, and after you put whatever drill bit that corresponds with the directions on the anchors, mark where the end of the anchor is to be flush with the wall. That way you don't end up needing only this much drilled and you end up drilling this much and you drill through the side of the cabinet. So I always like to take my anchor, whatever anchor I'm going to use for any application, put a little piece of painter's tape or masking tape at the top so you know when to stop. All right. Now, slide our anchor in. Might need to tap it with a hammer. In this case, we're good. Anchor nice and flush. We are going to flip this. And we're going to grab the screw that comes with the anchor, of course. Get it started by hand. There you have it. Now that buys us some time. Nice and sturdy. No more sag. Soft close like it should. That's another quick dad hack. A little longer than normal, but very purposeful video. Trying to keep it short and sweet. Thank you as always to everyone that's subscribing. If you are enjoying the content, please hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. Till next time, this is Dad Life.